I'm Alyssa Wright, and I'm a dental assistant graduate. I learned so much in just a short amount of time, what I use right now in my job, when I think back. When I chose MTI, I was looking for something that would benefit me as a learner. In the classroom, I get lecture, I get that, but I want to be able to do it hands-on. This place really stuck out to me, like here in the lab, I got to be hands-on and learn everything. First day of college, I was like, I didn't know what to expect. The teachers were very welcoming and they knew that we were nervous, but they just took it from there. I feel like MTI does do one-on-one more than I would think another school would. The smaller class sizes definitely, and what we have in the lab. If you are having trouble, come to the lab, the teacher will help you and you can get your things done. I externed at a general dentist's office and that I really loved it. Something different every patient. And so that's what I wanted to, further my career in. Finally got a call and I was like, would you like to come in for an interview? And I was like, yes, I would love to. And so that's when I really was like, all right, it's real now. I'm getting my first big girl job and I'm so excited. And so that's what I'm doing now and I absolutely love it. So I think making connections here at MTI is very important for the future.